Welcome back to ProTech Tutor. Today, I have a quick and easy tutorial for you. I'll be showing you how to hide likes counts on Instagram. So, let's just start it. The first step is open the Instagram app on your mobile device. Make sure you have logged into your account if you're not already logged in. Then, go to your profile by tapping on your profile icon in the bottom right corner of the screen. This will take you to your profile page. Once you're on your profile, look for the three horizontal lines or the hamburger menu icon in the top right corner. Tap on it to open the Settings menu. In the Settings menu, select and tap on Settings and Privacy. Now, under Settings and Privacy, you will find Like Count option on the below here. What you need to do is simply toggle it on if you want to make your likes count hidden. Note that this setting is account-wide and will affect all your posts. And there you have it. You've successfully hide like counts on Instagram. I hope this tutorial helps you. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to ProTech Tutor for more useful tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.